Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. In this class, we will discuss about the creation of doors in AutoCAD. First, we take the one simple rectangle and give the dimension. I am creating the main door so that standard dimensions of main door will be 3 feet 6 inch for length and 7 feet for width. After that, take offset command and give 2 inch offset. After that, take press pull command and press pull the outer panel for 2 inches. And then select the inner face, press pull at a 1 inch height. This is the simple door creation. For suppose if you want any designs, take line and create a designs. After that, take extrude command and extrude the rectangular at a certain height. This is for the simple door. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.